Hello students, in the next few minutes you'll be knowing about what is first order ordinary differential equations of various types. Already you know what do you mean by an equation, right? What do you mean by an equation? An equation is one which involves the variables, right? In that we have an unknown variable. And what do you mean by solve? Solve is nothing but you'll be finding the value of the unknown. Correct, is that right? So you have studied different equations, maybe algebraic equation, exponential equation, trigonometric equation, logarithmic equation, right? You have learned various kind of the equations. Now, one other equation is differential equations. This you have learned in your lower classes, that is in your PU. You have learned about first order differential equations. Since already you have learned, I am going to explain it briefly. It's a differential equation means what is the meaning of differential equation? It's an equation which involves the derivatives, right? It's a special kind of equation which involves the derivatives. So normally we denote the derivatives as what? dy by dx. So since we are going to study in this present semester about only first order differential equation, so the derivatives, the order of the derivatives involved in this equation will be only first order, correct? So it will have the equation in terms of dy by dx. Now, if you know the solutions, various possible solution already you have learned, the different kinds of differential equations, methods of solving the differential equations. One is solution by variable separable method, and you have learned what is homogeneous also. Okay, these few types you would have learned. In the current semester, that is in your first semester, you'll be learning about other methods to solve the first order linear as well as some of the nonlinear differential equations. Now let me tell you, share the screen and tell you what exactly you're going to learn in this first semester. Now coming to your first semester, the subject code and subjects. Now it's the subject name is Calculus and Linear Algebra, and this module is fourth. So totally you have 5 modules. Okay, and this ordinary differential equation is the 4th module. Now you know what's the meaning of ordinary differential equations, right? So we have what is known as partial differential equations. We'll be learning that later on. So now time being, you'll be learning ordinary differential equation, which we denote as ODE. Now, what's the mathematical definition of differential equations? It's already mentioned on the screen. So a differential equation is a mathematical equation for an unknown function of one or several variables. Okay, so we have unknown, which is a function of several independent variables. Now, coming to the applications of this, see this differential equation, you find wide range of applications in engineering field. Since you are studying engineering, I'm explaining about the engineering field, and day-to-day activities we come across so many applications of differential equations that we'll learn in the later stage. Now, these derivatives are see these differential equations involve the derivative, right? Now, in this current semester, you will be learning what are the different things you'll be learning in differential equations is, see, first you'll be learning a differential equation which is exact and also reducible to exact. And you have the second type, Bernoulli's equation, and the applications of these equations to find the orthogonal trajectories. And you'll be learning about Newton's law of cooling and LR circuit. These two are the applications of differential equations. And you'll be learning the nonlinear differential equations also. One method is the Bernoulli's equation, and one more type of equation, which is Clairaut's equation. So these are the basically the different types of differential equation you're going to learn in for some of this is module 4. Okay. Now the first type of equation we have is exact differential equations, and you know that the differential equations means it has to involve the derivatives. So the derivatives is nothing but dy by dx. But now a special kind of equation which is arranged like this. Please check this: mxy dx plus nxy dy equal to 0. So this is the differential equation, which is nothing but which is in the form m dx plus n dy. What do you mean by m? If I represent like this, m is a function of xy, n is a function of xy, m dx plus n dy. A differential equation which is written in this form is known as it's an exact differential equation, provided it has to satisfy some condition. Let us see what is that condition. The condition is if it satisfies dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, so you take m, you take n. So we have what is known as partial derivative, which you'll be learning. Okay, in the first module, you'll be learning about this. So the partial derivative of m with respect to y should be equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x. So if these two are equal, then we call this equation as exact equation. So now, and directly the solution is given by integral of m dx plus n dy equal to c. So this is a very simple, similar to the equation, right? It is same as that, m dx plus n dy equal to c, where we are going to integrate this, the first integral, treating y as constant. And here we consider the terms of n which does not contain x. These are the two conditions on m and n. So you should remember that. So remember, in the first integral, that is first integral means this integral, and say this is the second integral. In the first integral, we consider y as constant. In the second integral, we take the terms of n not containing x. So this is the solution of exact differential equation. Dear students, the first session is dedicated to this exact differential equation. So hence, I am giving only the definition of exact and the solution of that. Is that clear, students? So we'll be learning more differential equations as and when we proceed. So this is a small introduction about differential equations, and the further details will be looking into the details of this exact differential equation in the regular class. Thank you. Come prepared for the class. Thank you.